Friends, right now I am in Doon and I am showing you something and this is the village area of Naya Gaon and I am with my pet dog Dabboo and this is uh, Himalayan Tibetan dog and they are known for their long walks, their faithfulness, and at the daytime they are usually very calm and cool, but at the night they are very dangerous, and they are used for the in order to take the herds from one place to another. In the earlier times during the season when the winter used to set in, the fox, the Tibetan fox, the hill folk people used to uh, migrate from upper hill areas to the plains uh, in order to avoid the log jam in the snow capped mountains, and in search of food and shelter and for the survival. So these dogs were very beneficial when they used to carry their herds. These dogs they used to protect and take the regimentation of herds of the sheep, goats, cows, etc. And these are very useful dogs. This is one of my pet. I am keeping it. It is very friendly to me, very loyal, very faithful dog, and sometimes I do get a challenge from him, and it challenges me in order to control him, particularly when it sees